got to see this. Yes, sir.
And here comes that gale force wind.
Well, at least the clouds aren't turned. If they were doing the hook,
Like
where
that?
they start here, no. They have to go here and then they start wrapping around again.
Yeah.
They come back around. That's the hook. If they just keep moving on, we're good. It's when they come back around.
Yeah. Looks like it's coming and going now.
Well, the lower clouds are moving faster than the higher clouds. And there's so many different kind of clouds out.
No, that looks like it's coming back.
Yeah. Here it is. It is.
Is that a tornado?